Hello, today let's talk about two devices out there in a new and brand new comparison video about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the brand new Apple iPhone Air. Oh yeah! Hey, let's have introduce you this nice smartphone duel. In the one corner, we have the reigning champion of the past, the Galaxy S10 Plus, known as the stunning Infinito display with the groundbreaking triple camera system at that time. And in the other third, they have the challengers, the iPhone Air, a name that fools rumors and nice stuff on the market because we have a super thin smartphone there, but it is stable at the same and reliable. Of course, let's start with the first round, design and feel. The S10 with its glossy glass back and a slim metal frame feels the premium and it fits well in our hand. But what's about the iPhone? The iPhone minimalistic design that focuses on essentials. It's undeniably light and super thin, almost frighteningly thin, but it's not so fast cracked, of course, because it's really stable. Next up, the heart of the device, the display. The S10 boosts with a dynamic AMOLED display. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep. A true feast of the eyes at that time and now, because I think this device is not the super upper class right now, but it is an upper class model. The iPhone Air uses a liquid retina display. But it's incredible bright and color accurate. For most users, it's more than enough, of course. Then, who makes the winner? The iPhone Air, of course. Or, what do you think? What's now? The camera system. The S10 has a versatile triple camera system that covers the coverage from the wide angle up to the telephoto. That's not possible with the iPhone because the iPhone relies on a dual camera that focuses on quality and simplicity. The results are sharp and are colorful shots, of course, but I think the big game changer is the selfie cam on the iPhone Air. It's one of the best camera systems on the selfie side, which I see so far on smartphones. That means which smartphone takes better photos? The iPhone Air, of course. I think so. Maybe you are not with me on the same page. Tell the truth, please, in the comments. Under the hood, both devices pack poor power. The S10 with its Exynos or the Snapdragon chip and plenty of RAM and the multitasking monster. And of course, the Air with the brand new Series chip is known for its optimized software and hardware. It runs incredibly smooth even with the most demanding tasks. So, and what's about the battery? You can use both all day long. But in the Air, it is especially nice because it's so thin and so small battery powered. But it works. So that it is, the iPhone Air is the winner there too. But at the time of the past, the S10 is, of course, S10 Plus is or was the biggest one there. So what's now the winner, the most epic of all duels there? Is the reigning champion or it is the mystery challenger? You can tell me your favorite smartphone. The truth is both are incredibly good smartphones. The choice is up to you. Do you prefer an open, customized system with Android and versatile camera functions? Then the S10 Plus is the right choice for you. Are you looking for a sleek, simple design and a perfectly coordination ecosystem? Then, of course, the iPhone Air is your match. So you can choose if you need one, and it should be a cheaper one. The S10 Plus, of course, should be your choice. But if you'd like to style, have a look of the brand new design, the iPhone Air is yours. Tell me in the comment what's your favorite phone out there. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.